In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dashboard to homepage in Salesforce. We'll walk through how to place a dashboard right on your homepage so key metrics are front and center the moment you log in. I'll explain each action and share a few tips to help you make smart choices along the way. Start by opening Setup. From anywhere in Salesforce, click the gear icon in the upper right and choose Setup. This takes you into the admin side where you can customize your experience. In the Quick Find search box on the left, type Lightning App Builder and open it. The Lightning App Builder is where you design and manage home pages, record pages, and app pages in the Lightning experience. Next, decide whether you want to create a brand new home page or edit an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click New. Choose Homepage as the type. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Then click Next. You'll be prompted to pick a layout template. Select the one that suits your content. Wider regions are great if you want your dashboard to be more prominent. Then click Finish. If you already have a home page you like, simply find it in the list and click Edit to modify it. Once you're on the page canvas, look to the left panel for the standard components and find Dashboard. Drag the dashboard component onto the canvas and drop it where you want it to appear. Placement matters. A top or wide region helps your charts stand out and reduces scrolling. Click the dashboard component you just placed to open its properties in the right panel. Choose which dashboard you want to display. Keep in mind, users need access to the dashboard and its folder to see it. You can also adjust the height so it shows enough charts without an awkward scroll bar. For the view setting, consider using View as the current user if you want each person to see data based on their own permissions, which is ideal for teams with different territories or roles. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Then click Activate to decide who gets this home page. You can make it the default for your entire org. Assign it to specific apps so it appears only when those apps are active, or target specific profiles for tailored experiences. This flexibility helps you keep the right analytics in front of the right users. Finally, head to the Home tab in Salesforce and refresh. Your dashboard should now be visible. If it doesn't appear, double-check the page activation and dashboard permissions. That's it. Your home page now showcases the insights that matter most.